How to fix Spotify app not working on Samsung phone. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down. Scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search Spotify app from here. Scroll down. You will see Spotify app is here. Click on Spotify app. If you want to fix Spotify app not working problem, so click on storage. After click on storage, click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, click on clear data. After the process, you will see your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, so reinstall your Spotify app. After install, your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Spotify app not working on Samsung phone. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.